Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this nylon grill brush with no wire for the barbecue. And you can see that they are made of metal on the top part, and there is like no wire bristle, and it has a scraper on the top on all of the brushes. On the blue side, it's like a plastic kind of thing, and the other one is like kind of a brush. Okay, you can see that the handles are extra long on the big brushes, and it can handle up to 86 Fahrenheit or 30 Celsius. So you can still remove everything, all the residues from your grill when you finish cooking. Okay, just make sure that it's not warmer than 30 degrees. And the long one, it measures about 15 inches, and the other one measures up to 8 inches. And the shortest one. Okay, so you can use them like this. They are very easy to clean the brush. You just wash them with warm water, and you remove everything. Very easy. These are 3-in-1 brushes. You can use a heavy duty scouring pad, or you can use the durable stiff brush, or you can use the convenient hook as well that you can use to hang it on beside your grill or just for storage purposes. This is super convenient and super useful, cleans surface and stains, and the nylon bristles will not break or shed. Hard, and they are very, very good for cleaning all your barbecue or grill. It is totally worth it.